Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create multiple public view links in Canva Pro. So if you guys using Canva Pro for a presentation or maybe lead magnets or portfolios and need to know exactly where your audience is coming from, you can create multiple unique public view links in here in Canva, especially if you are using Canva Pro. So what you need to do in here, on your design, you can just click on a share button and there will be this option public view link. Click on that and click on create public view link. Okay, so as you guys can see, it will automatically create one public view link, but you can also use multiple links to track different audiences just by clicking on this add another link. But this features only for the Canva Pro users. You can just click on this just like that. Now the new link has been added, and you can also add another one. Here you can track how many visitors visit each link. So guys, that's how you can create multiple public view link in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.